Hi there, to fix slow internet connection on your POCO X7, first thing first, open settings on the phone. Of course, choose Wi-Fi tab. And now, make sure that Wi-Fi is enabled and that you are connected to your network. Now, before you set up network acceleration, make sure your phone is connected with a good signal. A good signal is usually indicated by 3 or 4 bars in this Wi-Fi icon. If this signal is weak, try moving closer to the router to improve reception. Now, what we are gonna do next is we need to tap here on network acceleration. And now we can see this cool feature, use mobile data to boost speed. Enable it by tapping on this switcher. And now you can use both Wi-Fi and mobile data at the same time to boost speed when Wi-Fi connection is poor. Here you can also choose mode, but this option is default, so I suggest you to leave it that way. Also, you can disable to use this feature for Spotify and YouTube, or you can enable it by tapping on the switcher, and that's it. Simply go back, and this will help to fix slow internet connection. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.